Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This is Chef Sumit here. Today I am going to make chicken tikka. Chicken tikka is one of the very famous starter in India. So without wasting time, just let's get started. So to make chicken tikka, we have to marinate chicken tikka first. For chicken tikka I take boneless chicken thighs. We need for chicken tikka we need 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 3 teaspoons of chili powder. We're gonna add some Kesuri Methi in this one, about 2 pinch. Then we have some Tandoori Masala here, which I'm gonna add in the chicken tikka marination. You probably need this one, 2-3 teaspoons. Some lemon juice and lots of salt. So what happened when you keep your marinated chicken in the refrigerator for 1 hour, chicken start leaves water and all the salt goes into the water and it doesn't taste that great. And sorry, I forgot to mention one more thing, which is Garam Masala. 2 teaspoons Garam Masala, and we have to mix it well. So the marination is ready. Now we are going to keep this chicken in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So as you see, the chicken is ready now for the tikka. Now we'll arrange this one on the tray, baking tray. So for the baking tray, I put some perforated pan on the baking tray along with the tin foil. So we'll put some of the chicken on the perforated baking tray and some on the tin foil. So before we put any chicken on the tin foil, make sure you always oil up the tin foil. Now we'll arrange all the chicken on the perforated baking tray and the regular baking tray. Make sure you always oil up the perforated baking tray as well. This is very important, otherwise the food will get stuck to the bars. Try to cut pieces in little bit bigger size. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 500 degrees. The thing is, I think most of the ovens has maximum 500 degree. That's why I'm saying 500 degree. But if you have more than 500 degrees, you can absolutely do that. Put more than 500 degrees temperature to preheat your oven. The thing is, because there are two kind of cooking concepts. One is rapid cooking concept, which is increase the temperature and cook for the less time, so you can actually save all the juice, keep itself in the chicken. And another thing is slow cooking process, which you can reduce the temperature and cook it for the long time. But I like the rapid cooking process more than slow cooking process. And now we'll wait for the oven to get well heated, and then we'll put this one in the oven for 15 minutes first, and then we'll see how it goes, and then we'll keep longer if we want it. Now our oven is preheated. We'll put our chicken into the oven. So the chicken tikka is ready, and now it's the time for the presentation. We'll put all the chicken pieces, we'll arrange it in a nice way. Actually, we authentically eat chicken tikka with sliced onions and chopped cilantro. You can make cilantro chutney as well if you'd like to eat more spicy. Enjoy your chicken tikka, and please let me know whether you like my recipe or you want any comments or suggestions. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch my chicken tikka, and I'll see you with the next recipe.